Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2020 and is related to Indian agriculture. The question is, with reference to pulse production in India, consider the following statements. Number 1, black gram can be cultivated as both Kharif and Rabi crop. Number 2, green gram alone accounts for nearly half of pulse production. Number 3, in the last 3 decades, while the production of Kharif pulses has increased, the production of Rabi pulses has decreased. Now, first let us look at black gram. The condition required for the cultivation of black gram is basically warm climate with 60 to 100 centimeter rainfall. 60 to 100 centimeter average annual rainfall. Along with this, so in India basically black gram is grown as Kharif crop, along with rice. So basically cereal pulse, combination of cereal and pulse cropping system is done in India as far as pulse production is concerned. So black gram is basically grown along with rice as water requirement. The excess water which is provided through irrigation in rice fields can be utilized by black gram. But it doesn't mean that it cannot be grown in Rabi system, because in Rabi as well as late Rabi season also, along with wheat or other cereal, black gram can be cultivated. So this option is correct. As far as the percentage of green gram is concerned, then green gram, that is moong, accounts only 10% of total pulses produced in the country, whereas the gram or chana accounts for nearly 43%, tur or arhar accounts for nearly 15%, black gram also accounts for nearly 10%, other lentils 6%, and the remaining pulses 10%. This is the data provided by Directorate of Economics and Statistics, DES, as far as pulse production in India is concerned. Economics and Statistics. So, second statement is incorrect. Third statement, in the last 3 decades, while the production of Kharif pulses has increased, the production of Rabi pulses has decreased. This is also incorrect, because production of both Kharif and Rabi pulses has increased. Kharif as well as Rabi pulses has increased in the last 3 decades. So this statement is incorrect. A is the correct answer. Now let us see the distribution of Kharif and Rabi pulses in India. 40% of pulses are Kharif pulses, whereas 60% of pulses are Rabi pulses. As far as India's ranking is concerned, India is the largest producer, largest consumer, as well as largest importer of pulses. So India produces around 25% of the pulses, it consumes around 27% of the global production of pulses, and it imports around 14% of the total pulses produced in the country. So these are the basic. Also, as far as the pulse production is concerned, then in case of pulse production, MP is the largest pulse producer, then Maharashtra, then Rajasthan, and then UP, and then Karnataka. These are the top 5 pulse producing states, and mainly pulses in India are grown in dry region. Hence, dry land farming is also associated with pulse production. There was also one question related to the pulses only. In the context of India, which one of the following is considered to be practices of eco-friendly agriculture? In this also one statement, legume intensification is there, which is related to pulse production itself. So if we see eco-friendly agriculture, then eco-friendly agriculture are those agriculture that uses sustainable methods and it uses less water so that it is water efficient, less pollution is there or less waste is produced in eco-friendly agriculture methods, less inputs, that is herbicide, less herbicide or pesticide or fertilizers. So basically natural farming is also eco-friendly way of agriculture as well as fertilizers. And also when in polyhouses we grow crops, then global warming is less in case of eco-friendly agriculture. So these are the basic types or sustainable ways or practices through which eco-friendly agriculture can be practiced. Now if we see the statements, then crop diversification, legume intensification, tensiometer use or vertical farming, which of them helps in eco-friendly agriculture? What does crop diversification do? Because in crop diversification we grow different crops in same field, different crops in same field, so that instead of providing inputs, that is fertilizer or pesticide or herbicide, what we are doing is we are allowing the field to automatically regenerate itself. So this is the use of crop diversification. As far as legume intensification is concerned, then legume intensification helps in nitrogen fixation. Pulses helps in nitrogen fixation, as the bacteria present in leguminous crops, that is rhizobium bacteria, it helps in nitrogen fixation. So this is also eco-friendly way. As far as tensiometer use is concerned, tensiometer is a device that regulates the irrigation. The timing of the irrigation is regulated through tensiometer. This is tensiometer. So because of this, there is efficient irrigation. And as far as vertical farming is concerned, then 75% reduction is seen as far as inputs are concerned. Inputs such as fertilizers, herbicide, pesticide, there is a 75% reduction. This is the data from FAO only, that vertical farming is one of the eco-friendly way which helps in reduction of inputs, and hence this is a eco-friendly way of agriculture. So all the statements 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct as far as eco-friendly agriculture is concerned. Thank you.